Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the commercial bank app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The commercial bank app is a secure mobile banking solution that allows customers to manage their finances anytime, anywhere. With features like balance checking, fund transfers, bill payments, mobile check deposits, and real-time account alerts, it provides all the essentials for convenient banking on the go. The app also supports biometric login, card management, and branch or ATM locators, ensuring both security and accessibility. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's clean interface, simple navigation, and reliable performance for everyday banking tasks. Mobile deposit and instant alerts are particularly valued for saving time and adding extra layers of security. Business account holders also find it useful for managing multiple accounts and transactions efficiently. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login issues or temporary glitches during updates. Others feel that advanced tools, like detailed spending insights or integrated financial planning, are missing compared to larger international banking apps. Additionally, the speed of customer support through the app can vary. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the commercial bank app may be worth using if you're looking for a secure and convenient way to handle your personal or business banking on the go. It shines in simplicity, reliability, and core banking features. However, if you need advanced financial tools or broader global banking options, it might feel a bit limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.